In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Jotform teams and how you can add new members to your team. Whether you're managing a large project or simply need a collaborative space for a smaller group, adding team members to your Jotform account can help you work more efficiently and bring everyone onto the same page. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, sign in using your personal credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start setting up your team. With Jotform teams, you have the flexibility to determine various access levels for different members, depending on your specific needs. This ensures everyone has the necessary permissions to view or edit forms as required. Now, glance over to the left side of your screen. Here, you should see your list of team workspaces. Locate the specific team workspace where you want to add new members. Click on the name of the workspace to dive into its settings. This is where you'll manage how and who you collaborate with. If you have yet to invite members and your screen feels a little empty, don't worry. In the middle of the workspace screen, there should be a button that clearly says Invite Team Members. Go ahead and click that button. For those already familiar with inviting, if your workspace contains existing forms, a convenient invite button is also available at the top right side of the screen. Once you've clicked either of these buttons, a pop-up window will appear. You'll use this window to invite your new team members by entering their email addresses. Assign them the appropriate roles based on their responsibilities within your team. This part is entirely customizable, so feel free to include a personalized message with your invitation if you'd like to make it more engaging or informative about what you're expecting them to do. After you send your invitation, keep an eye out for a small green message that will appear right next to your new team member's name. This message confirms that the invitation has been sent successfully. This confirmation helps in ensuring that the process has been completed without a hitch. Please be mindful that Jotform Teams is a feature available to those subscribed to Jotform Enterprise. The Enterprise subscription opens up a wide array of collaborative options perfect for more extensive operations. And there you have it, a clear, detailed guide to adding new members to your Jotform team. By following these steps, you're setting up your group for better collaboration and success. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Jotform support. Thanks for watching and happy form building.